So hi, in this video we are going to see this organza sarees, organza floral sarees, cutwork sarees చూసాము kalamkari organza sarees. So this is plain organza saree. This is completely plain organza saree with two sides cutwork వస్తుంది for this saree. So if you see, this is the cutwork for the saree with full jardosi work, and also this is the peacock motif that is given all over the saree. So this we have got in three colors. So definitely this is a transparent saree because this is a plain saree kada. So for this saree, correct na? For this saree design ledu, so it's a plain saree. Blouse evo. So this is the blouse. So this is the blouse color that we are giving, that would match with this peacock head color. So this is how it looks. So it's a transparent saree. Who likes to wear transparent sarees, they can definitely love to take it. So once it is with the blouse, you will not feel that it is transparent. ఇది కొంచెం భుజం మీద వేసే ఇట్లానే అట్లా 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 అంతే. So yeah, this is the blouse and this is the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. You can happily put the pleats also. It looks like very beautiful. So this is how it looks, saree with the blouse. So saree with the blouse, you get it for 2,900. You'll be getting 1 meter blouse and 5.5 meter saree. On both the sides you will be having the cut work. You can see this beautiful cut work, and you'll be having the booties all over the saree. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the pallu. Pallu also four side you'll be having the cut work. So you can put the pleats also like this. So or when like ఇది ఇప్పుడు బ్లౌజ్ అంటే సో ఇట్లా వస్తుంది, ఇట్లా వస్తుంది కదా. So you'll be having like this blouse. On blue you'll be getting, you can wear it on the single plate. So this is saree number 1 in the mint green color. If you put the pleats, like, you'll be getting it on both the sides. The price is 2,900. Without the blouse piece, you'll be getting for 2,600. So the blouse piece is optional. So this you'll be getting it in the 3 colors. So the next color is in the sky blue color. So this is the blue color you'll be getting. See, so this is the peacock cut work you'll be getting all over the saree on 2 sides cut work. So the blouse is always optional. Without the blouse piece, you get it for 2,550 only. With blouse piece, you'll be getting it for 2,900. Okay, sorry about the my dress color would be disturbing this the look of the saree. So this is how it looks. So this is the blouse piece. For all, there are 3 colors in this. For all the 3 colors, this blouse piece would very perfectly match. So this is how it looks. Blouse with the saree. So this is the cut work on the 4 borders of the saree. This is how it is. Okay, this is in the mint. This is in the sky blue color. Mundu color that is in the mint green. This is in the mint blue color, or pastel blue color, that is pastel green. Okay, without blouse the price is 2,550 only the saree, and with blouse it is 2,900. Next is in the pastel yellow color, nice yellow color. So the same cut work you will be getting all over the saree. So this is how it is. With all over the saree, you will be getting the booties as well. So this is how it looks. That's a very beautiful and a classy piece. Blouse bit. So this is the blouse. Again, the same blouse will be matching for this. So this is how it looks with the steps also. So yeah, this is how it looks. Who are really comfortable wearing you know, transparent sarees, they can definitely try this beautiful pieces. This is new in the market. I mean, like nowhere it is launched till now, so it's new in the market. So the price is 2,900 with blouse piece. Only the saree you get it for 2,550. So this is how it is, the saree. Okay, there are only 3 colors in this. So we'll see the other patterns in this. So this is another pattern. This is the peacock one in the plain organza. Now we'll be seeing a different piece. So this is a half and half kalamkari and shibori print organza saree. Okay, so for the body of the saree you will be getting this. For the body of the saree you will be getting this kalamkari print, and for the frills near the waist you will be getting this shibori print. So this is a new print and this is a single piece. For all the edge of the saree you will be getting this cut work. So this is how it will look. Okay, kalamkari print will come for the pallu and for the body as well. So this is the pallu and this is the body of the saree, and the shibori print you will get it for the frills here. So this is how it looks. This also doesn't have a blouse piece. So this is half and half kalamkari with the shibori print. So this is how it looks. The shibori print will come here for the steps for the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. Next we have the new designs here in kalamkari. Floral we have seen in the previous video. So this is in the kalamkari. It's in the new pattern at a very good prices than the before pattern we had. So this now comes at just 2,250 only. So this is in the black color. You will be getting all over, you will be getting the peacock and the elephant design all over the saree, and full hole here this pen kalamkari style of digital print for the organza saree. So on both the sides you will be having this cut work. So this is how it looks. Both the sides you will be having this cut work all over the saree. So this మధ్యలో ఒక లైట్ కలర్ ఇవ్వు. So on the shoulder you will be getting this design. అది brown ది మధ్యలో. Yeah, on the shoulder, over the shoulder and over all the saree you will be having this peacock and the elephant design will be carried all over the saree. So this is in the black color. Okay, this is how it looks. This doesn't have a blouse piece, so without blouse only. The price is just for 2,250. So this is in the black color. You have seen. Okay, so okay, this is the line of this elephant and peacock will be running all over the saree. So this is in the black color. The price is 2,250. So this is in the dust green color. So these are all this pen kalamkari kind of digital print all over with the elephant and the peacock design, and this is the cut work you will be getting for the saree. So this is a very awesome color. So this is in the dark dust green kind of color combination. You can see both the sides, and both the sides you will be having the cut work. So this is in the dust green color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. So this elephant and peacock design will be running all over the saree like we saw. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is in the dust green color. So if you think my top is dominating, so this is the like the original color. You can see this is the original color and this is the pattern. Okay, the price is, it's just for 2,250. This is the saree and the pallu. Okay, yes. Next, this is in a very pretty navy blue color combination. We have seen black, we have seen dust green, and this is in the pretty navy blue color combination. You have seen. So in the down layer, so this is the print. So both the sides you'll be having cut work all over. So this is in the nice navy blue color combination. Okay, so this is how it looks. So all over the saree you'll be having the booties also, this flower booties, and this is the cut work for all over the saree, and this is the print. This booties also you'll be having for the saree. So this is the closer look of the print of the leaves of kalamkari design. Okay, this is how it looks. This is in the dark navy blue color. So this is how it looks, a very beautiful and a new color pattern here. So this comes here if you drape it, and also if you leave it, you can just tuck it in here and you can wear like this. So this is in the navy blue color combination. Next is in the black and pink color combination. This is in the dark brown color. So this is in the dark brown and the pink color combination. So this is how it is. Okay. So this is also very beautiful piece. Maybe my color goes well with this color now, my top color. So this is how it looks. So this is the closer look, dark brown with the pink color combination. So if you are wearing it on one plate, you can just tuck the frills like this and you can put a pin here, so it will be easy to carry. And this motif line is also like, it's very evident. So this is the line. So this is the motif line and this is the cut work for the saree. So this is in the dark brown, chocolate brown with the pink color combination saree. So this is how it looks. Okay, the price is just for 2250. Okay, next, the last one. That is another kind of blue. So this is violet blue. So this is in the violet blue color combination with lavender color buttas, lavender color peacock, and the elephant motifs all over the saree. So you can see the lavender color flowers also. So this is how it looks. Okay. So these are priced at just 2250 only. So this doesn't come with the blouse. So this is violet blue with the lavender color combination. So yeah, there is little minute difference that you can go with the lavender blouse for this. You can just go with the blouse piece of this butta color which is there. So this is in the lavender color. The before one you can go with the pink color blouse. You can go with the pink color blouse. So this is how it was, violet blue color with violet blue and the lavender color combination. Once again. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Violet blue with the lavender color combination with lavender flowers and the kalamkari design. So this is how it looks. So with this we are ending this. So we have seen like 3 different colors, 3 different variations in this. So this particular thing, it is priced at just 2250. This is nice pure organza silk sarees, very lightweight and easy to carry, and a falling type of material also. Like whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message us. Thank you. Happy shopping.